In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a transparent cube in Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Paint. Click on it under the Best Match. Now once you have opened the Microsoft Paint, just simply look at the options at the top and you'll find Shapes. Now choose the rectangle and simply draw a rectangle on the blank sheet. Okay? Now once done, click on this option, click on this drop down and choose transparent selection and simply draw from here. Okay? Now once done, click on the line and then simply drag this like that to connect the edges. And you can also use the eraser to erase lapses on your cube. And that's it. That's how you can easily make a transparent cube in Microsoft Paint. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.